Hi folks, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars and the Lutheran Academy, and I just received a new product from GluBoost. This one is called Lacquer Shot, and it is a gun-like lacquer spray in a can. And according to the back of the can here, it says that it is especially formulated for the needs of the guys who are serious about wood. Well, I guess that includes me. It also says that the Lacquer Shot UltraThin Flash Coat provides a hard, durable, and ultra-thin and super clear finish that is more flexible and far more chatoyant than any competitor's lacquer. With our unique adjustable vertical horizontal spray nozzle and specially tuned even flow formula, Lacquer Shot UltraThin Flash Coat is not just another pretty can. Well, I'm always impressed with GluBoost products, so let's put it through some paces. So the first thing I'm going to do is prepare a sample board. And when I prepare a sample board, I like to use something highly porous. In this case, I'm using Wenge, and I pour-filled it with GluBoost products. I found that the can was as described. It sprayed very thin, fine coats right out of the can, and I could adjust the nozzle horizontal or vertical. I also found that it dried very quickly, and that allowed me to put on more coats sooner than traditional lacquers. So here's the sample board I prepared. I sprayed and I let it dry overnight. And as you can see, it powders very nicely without gumming up my sandpaper, thus allowing me to apply more top coats sooner. Now here's the same sample board the morning after my second day of spraying. As you can see here, this is a very acceptable finish right out of the can. But you can also level and rub it out to a satin or buff it to a higher gloss by hand or on a buffing wheel. I also used the Lacquer Shot to do a spot repair on an old guitar I had kicking around the shop here. As you can see, it does a great job of blending in with previous lacquer coats, and I was able to level and buff it to a high gloss in just a day or two. Well, I can see several benefits of this product. One is that you can spray right out of the can, thus eliminating all of the expensive spray equipment that you normally have to invest in. Another benefit is that it dries very quickly, so I can apply multiple coats in a lot less time. And therefore, it cures a lot quicker than traditional cure times for lacquer. I was leveling and buffing just after a day or two. So there it is, Lacquer Shot, gun-like spray lacquer from GluBoost. Happy finishing, folks.